Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, also known as the land of gods, is a state in northern India crossed by the Himalayas. Is known for its Hindu pilgrimage sites. Uttarakhand is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas, the Babar and the Terai regions. The winter capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The largest city of the state, which is a railhead, Ghair a town in Chamoli district, is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Culture and traditions. The culture of Uttarakhand still revolves around its traditional ethics, moral values, the simplicity of nature, and a rich mythology. It is well known for its ancient culture. The colorful society is divided into two major regions of Garhwal and Kumaon. Daily aartis performed every evening at the bank of the Mother River in Haridwar and Rishikesh gives you a memorial site. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years where you can witness one of the largest gatherings of devotees in the whole world. Sikh devotees visit the shrines of Hemkund Sahib and Nanak Matta Sahib. Muslims visit the Dargah at Piran Kaliyar Sharif. Costumes of Uttarakhand. Dress for females is Ghagra, Agari, Dhotu, while for males, Pajama, Kurta, Gol Topi or Jawahar Topi, Dhoti, Mirje are worn. Cuisine. The main staple food is wheat, while Uttarakhand traditional food is arsha, rotan and guguti. Arsha is famous in the Garhwal division and guguti is famous in the Kumaoni division. Along with veg, people eat non-veg too. While bal mithai is a popular sweet, while other sweets are swal, khajur, arsa, mishri, gatta and gulgulas. Tourism. The popular places in Uttarakhand are Haridwar. It is considered a sacred place as Lord Vishnu took bath at this spot and the water is said to relieve all sins. Haridwar is often called the gateway to the Hindu pilgrimage sites of the Char Dhams and attracts a huge number of tourists due to its amazing mountains, rivers and ancient temples. Rishikesh, located in the foothills of the Himalayas in northern India. It is known as the gateway to the Garhwal Himalayas and yoga capital of the world. Dehradun. The city is noted for its picturesque landscape and slightly milder climate and provides a gateway to the surrounding region. It is well connected and in proximity to Himalayan tourist destinations. Mussoorie. Mussoorie is one of the most popular hill stations located at a distance of 290 km from Delhi in Dehradun district of Uttarakhand. With a backdrop of Shivalik range of Himalayas and Doon Valley, Mussoorie, also known as the Queen of Hills, stands at an altitude of 7,000 feet above sea level and has a cool, pleasant climate throughout the year. Other places like Kedarnath, Gangotri and Uttarkashi. Folk songs and music of Uttarakhand. Music is a huge part of the cultural and traditional echoes of Uttarakhand. The traditional richness of Uttarakhand is depicted clearly through its songs and music which the people sing to celebrate special occasions. If you ever get to listen to the music, you will definitely feel the closeness of music to nature due to its tones and melody that is produced. Here are a few folk songs from the hilly paradise state. Baju Band, sung by the village women while performing their daily chores on the fields or at home. This is a collection of folk songs expressing various different emotions like love, sorrow, and happiness. These colorful and enchanting songs are so poetic that they have been compared with the words written by the great poet William Wordsworth. Chopati. This is one of the most popular forms of song and music in Uttarakhand, which is sung during celebrations, festivals, fairs, and weddings. Played with the help of dhol, dholki, turi, mandan, and others. This song is performed between a man and a woman in a question answer form, which is an extremely entertaining thing to watch. Jagar. Finding its roots in the Sanskrit word jaga, meaning to wake. These songs are practiced by both Garhwali and Kumaoni groups of people in a ritual form for the spirits of their ancestors. By chanting these songs, it is said that all the local deities and gods are awakened from their dormant state. This Jagar performance is also done to speak penance or justice from the gods. Prominent folk artists of Uttarakhand: Mohan Upreti, Narendra Singh Negi, Gopal Babu Goswami, Chander Singh Rahi, etc. Folk dance of Uttarakhand. Dancing runs in the very veins of the people of Garhwal and Kumaon of Uttarakhand. The locals of Uttarakhand celebrate their joys and sorrows through dance. Ahead, know about the three popular dances of Uttarakhand and the stories behind them. Pandav Nritya. The Pandava Nritya tells the tale of the five heroes of Hindu mythology, the Pandava brothers of Mahabharata from start to end. Through its ecstatic dance, the various stages of their life are portrayed, performed on the drum beats. It is a 10 to 12 days dance drama celebration performed between November to February every year. It is believed that the energies of the five Pandavas enter the body of performing artists during the stage performance. On the last day of Pandava Nritya, a grand feast is organized. Bhotia dance. The Bhotiyas are an ancient tribe of Uttarakhand, and the namesake dance is performed by them is closely linked to their death ritual. It is a common belief among the Bhotiyas that the soul of the dead lives in the body of a sheep or goat after the human body dies. By performing the Bhotiya dance, the soul of the dead can be liberated from the animal's body. Cholia dance. Cholia dance is the sword dance meant to depict the martial art traditions of the Kumaoni tribe. This dance form is as old as 1,000 years, and it is performed during the local Rajput weddings. The Cholia dancers are equipped with swords and shields, regional brass instruments like turi and ransing, and percussion instruments like dhol and damaru, etc. The dancers dress like the Kumaon warriors and engage in mock sword fights with duly synchronized twists and musical instruments. Traditional music instruments of Uttarakhand. Traditional musical instruments of Uttarakhand reflects the values of Uttarakhand people. These instruments form the soul of folk dance and music. Uttarakhand's traditional musical instruments are quite simple but but unique into the emotions they evoke. Some of the commonly seen musical instruments. Damama. This consists of two leathered brass bones, one somewhat bigger and the other small in size. The bigger one is called Daindama, while the smaller one is called Boundamu. Both produce different sound when beaten with sticks known as lakur. Hurka. The staccato beats of the hurka are heard in almost every song and dance performance in Uttarakhand. It also finds mention in Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra, the first treatise on theoretical forms. Turturi or Turhi. This trumpet-like organ is found in two forms. One is quite long and curved in shape, while the other resembles a snake in its coiled form. It is made of brass or copper, and its blowing is generally accompanied with the beating of the damama. Physical features. Uttarakhand has a total geographic area of 53,483 km square, of which 86% is mountainous and 65% is covered by forest. Most of the northern parts of the state are part of Greater Himalaya ranges covered by the high Himalayan peaks and glaciers, while the lower foothills are densely forested till denuded by the British log merchants and later after independence by forest contractors. National parks in Uttarakhand include the Jim Corbett National Park, previously named as Haley National Park, the oldest national park of India. With the elevation of 7,816 meters, 25,643 feet above sea level, Nanda Devi is the highest mountain in Uttarakhand. With the elevation of 190 meters, 620 feet above sea level, Sharda Sagar Reservoir is the lowest land point in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a diverse country in its own way, containing a rich diversity of flora and fauna alongside the marvelous architecture of temples. It can be concluded that the entire Uttarakhand Himalaya is facing enormous changes in the natural and cultural aspects.